Welcome traders to Impact Trading Services signal service. We're going to do some signal review for last week. Come over to impactyoutube.com/impact trading services, click on playlist, and then you'll come down to Impact Trading Services Gold Analysis and Signal Service. Click on that playlist. All right, we draw every week. We draw supply and demand, support and resistance levels for areas to plan our trades so that we can become consistently profitable. So for the week of February 13th, we're going to review February 13th through Friday, February 17th. We're going to look at the levels that we already had pre-drawn, and then we're going to see some profitable trades that came from the levels that we are already pre-drawn. All right, so starting the week on Monday, and all these levels will be good for intraday traders, for position traders, for swing traders. And we'll start with the last signal that we received on the 4-hour chart. We received a 4-hour pin bar at the pre-drawn level of 1820. Now price dipped down to 1818, but that's still the 1820 level. And if you look on the monthly chart, we know that that's extended. We know the month has extended 14,000 pips, which on a monthly average is long right now. So we already had the 1820 level pre-drawn before the week started. So then for price confirmation on the 4-hour chart during the London session, we got a pin bar here. That was one pin bar. We got another pin bar here during the London session. So we knew price, the momentum was slowing up on this move down for the week. This right here is a weekly high, and this will be a monthly and weekly low coming on Friday, which signaled to us that price has found the weekly support and monthly support after moving 14,000 pips down from the 1960 area. And then for a position in a swing trade, we're seeing a 4-hour pin bar, and then on the intraday 1-hour chart, we're getting a head and shoulder pattern here. You've got your head right here and then your two shoulders. So you have a head and shoulder pattern. That'll be easier to see on a 3, 5, 15-minute intraday trade signal. So this pattern right here from here to here is a head and shoulder, a classic head and shoulder pattern that is lining up with a 4-hour, two 4-hour pin bars. So when we come into the London session at the 1500 hour, we know we have made a weekly low, a daily low, and a monthly low here, and then we get two 4-hour pin bars. So this could be considered a pin bar also. But once we get this signal on the 3, 5, 15-minute signal, beautiful pin bar, head and shoulder, 4-hour pin bar, and then we're getting 3, 5, 15-minute confirmation here, then we could have placed trades long here to here. We could have placed a long trade here for a larger move up. So that trade signal had many confirmations for us to have a degree of predictability with the 14,000 pip move down. And then for a positional trade, we could enter a position here right now at this area. Aggressive would be entering at 1820 as price moves up. More conservative would be entering at the break of these pin bars right here. So you would enter the trade at 1830 with your stop losses right outside of this area right here. So you would enter these areas. Your stop losses could be here, stop loss here, or you could place a stop loss here, depending on your risk management, money management. If you had done that, then that move right there was anywhere from 1,500 to 2,500 pips. And then the position trader is going to be holding this trade as the market moves up and down with good money management, risk management, locking in profits as this may be a larger move up to test new highs for the position trader. And also for the swing trader, this is going to be a swing up possibly to the 1860, 1880, 1900 area, where you can plan your profit targets on your swings up and your swings down. For the intraday trader who just wants to trade the New York session, then you place your trade here at 1820 based off of the London session confirmation. So as you see this price move up, you see your head and shoulder pattern here. And then the position trader who just wants to place, the intraday trader who wants to place a trade during the New York session would have placed a trade right here. And on the initial move up, it's 1,500 pips. If you had held the trade and just moved your stops up, if you had just moved your stops up during the New York session and allowed the trade to play out, then that's 1,500 to 1,700 pips. So you see the power of knowing your levels before the sessions begin. Now here's some more intraday signals during the week. On Thursday the 16th, when you have your levels drawn out, then you're gonna receive these signals here every day. Signals to buy and signals to sell every day. And then you'll start seeing the patterns over again. This is a head and shoulders pattern, along with a rising wedge pattern. So you'll start seeing these patterns every trading day, every trading week. And then for your trading style, all you'll need to do is plan your trades, plan your styles, your trading style from these levels. That's a rising wedge in combination with head and shoulder pattern for an intraday trade. And then you have pin bar, bearish engulfing, pin bar. On the 3, 5, 15-minute bar, pin bar, 2-bar pin bar, hammer. So you see it. This is consistent way of trading. Pin bar, pin bar, pin bar, so that you can be consistently profitable at these areas with your stop losses planned right outside the area. So you have great risk management. So on every time frame, you're going to receive these signals at these areas. You're going to receive signals on the 1 hour. This is a 1 hour pin bar at the area. Bearish bar. Bearish engulfing Huge signal at 1860, bearish engulfing. So we're going to receive signals every trading day. Every trading day. So plan your trades. These were profitable signals this week. As you continue to train your eyes to see when the signals come, the levels that are pre-drawn, then you can confidently enter trades and then become a consistently profitable trader. So those were just some of the trade signals for the week of February 13th through February 13th through February 17th. We'll have more trade signals for you coming up this week. This was a long-term signal that is still valid. This signal right here is still valid. As price comes down, if price comes back down here and tests this area and does not break these levels, then this signal right here may be the 1820 area and monthly low, may be a signal that may remain valid for as a position trader for a monthly, weekly move back up into these areas right here. So if this week continues to come up and test these highs, then this 1 4-hour signal tests the 1840, tests the 1870 to 1900 area. Here's your 1900. Here's your 1900 test area, and then all the way back up to the 1950, 1960, possibly pushing 200. Then this 1820 signal that may remain valid would potentially profit you with the range of with the range of 8,000, 10,000, 5,000, 3,000, 10,000, 13,000 pips. So knowing that, knowing the signal, knowing the support and resistance levels, the signal right here may profit you that pip range. Alrighty, that is the power of knowing your supply, demand, support, resistance areas, and then knowing your trade signals. That's price action confirmation. All right, see you in the next video. We'll have some more some trade signals videos for you coming up for this week. And then come over to the YouTube channel, study. This video will be Impact Trading Services Gold Analysis and Signal Service. All right, be consistently profitable. Have a great trading week.